The Manufacturers Association was founded in 1906 in York, Pennsylvania, as an organization to represent the interests of not only manufacturers but the entire private sector of our community. And over the last 104 years, we've been involved in numerous projects in the community, starting out in the early 1900s in being the lead organization to negotiate contracts with the railway industries to move manufactured products around the country and around the world. One of the big elements of the Manufacturers Association was during World War II with the York Plan, do what you can with what you have, which was a group of industrialists that came together to provide products and services for the United States military. The Manufacturers Association today, in 2010, is an organization that continues to provide services to businesses throughout South Central Pennsylvania, and quite frankly, we do project work in states all around the country. The primary products and services today, first of all, we have now 51 years of being a group health insurance provider, providing health insurance and dental insurance, vision insurance, those types of products to more than 100 companies, insuring thousands of employees and their family members. And again, you know, that's 51 years into the making. Another element of the Manufacturers Association today is our education and training programs. Each year, through the association, thousands of people receive higher skills through our various training programs that make them more productive and more valuable to the employers. Another segment of that program is our work with youth in the community through our pre-apprenticeship program, through our work with the various high schools in the community, so that our young people have that awareness of all the career opportunities that may be available to them in their future and provide them access to quality training programs. Probably one of the thing that we're most known for in the community is our political work that we do. We are very involved with our local, state, and federal legislators. Again, on the issues of policy issues that are important to the private sector in our community. We're very focused on looking at tax elements, looking at public policy, environmental law, looking at labor law, those elements that are absolutely critical to the future success of our businesses. One of the newest elements of the Manufacturers Association is something that we refer to as talent management. Talent management in our world is working with our employers, making sure that the labor policies that they utilize every day in the course of their business are in compliance with law. We also, a part of that talent management group is a professional and executive recruiting program that enables our companies in a very affordable way to engage in recruiting potential applicants from all over the United States. The other element of the Manufacturers Association that many people don't know about, that is our work in the community with regard to the foundation that the Manufacturers Association maintains, as well as the network of activities that we do in the community. Between myself and the staff of the Manufacturers Association, we serve on more than 30 nonprofit boards of directors or various committees around the community, around the state, and in the United States. Also, through that foundation work, we provide scholarship opportunities for high school and college students to continue with their education. And one of our newest initiatives is to partner with the Logos Academy so that families that may not be able to afford to send their children to the Logos Academy are able to access some funding through the Manufacturers Association foundation work. In summation, the Manufacturers Association, 104 years in our history, continues to be a significant element in leading this community towards the future. We support the continued growth of the private sector. Equally important to us is the continued support and growth to the community as a whole. And when we talk about the community, it sometimes may feel like York, it may sometimes feel like Lancaster or Harrisburg or Carlisle, like the South Central Pennsylvania region. Also, we believe it feels like the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, and on a much bigger scale, we support the growth activities throughout the United States. So we're proud of what the Manufacturers Association has accomplished in 104 years. We're even more excited about the future of this region and the future health of the Manufacturers Association. To learn more about the Manufacturers Association and to look at its membership opportunities and the various programs, there's information before you on the screen. Thank you.